Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us deal with at some point: swollen feet. Whether it's from standing for long hours, pregnancy, or other causes, swollen feet can really put a damper on your day. But fret not, we've got 3 incredible vitamins that can offer fast relief. So, let's get started. Our first superstar vitamin for swollen feet relief is none other than vitamin C. This vitamin is renowned for its potent antioxidant properties, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and supporting healthy circulation, making it a fantastic ally in combating swollen feet. You can easily incorporate vitamin C into your diet by enjoying citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, indulging in strawberries, munching on bell peppers, or adding broccoli to your meals. For those who prefer supplements, there are plenty of high-quality vitamin C capsules or tablets available. Just remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Next up, we have the mighty vitamin E, another powerhouse in the world of swollen feet relief. Vitamin E is known for its ability to improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation, making it a go-to option for easing discomfort. Foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados are excellent sources of vitamin E. Incorporating these into your daily meals can provide natural relief for swollen feet. Additionally, you can opt for a high-quality vitamin E supplement to ensure you're getting an ample amount of this essential nutrient. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about vitamin D. While it's often associated with bone health, vitamin D also plays a significant role in reducing inflammation and improving overall circulation, which can be incredibly beneficial for swollen feet. You can boost your vitamin D levels by enjoying foods such as fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, fortified dairy products, and spending some time outdoors soaking up the sun. However, if you live in an area with limited sunlight or have difficulty getting enough vitamin D from your diet, a vitamin D supplement can be a valuable addition. And there you have it, our top 3 vitamins for fast swollen feet relief: vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin D. Remember, while these vitamins can be beneficial, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement routine. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health and wellness. Take care of yourselves, and we'll catch you in the next video.